my name is Marcus Morales. I'm a divorce lawyer here in Santa Barbara. The name of my firm is Morales Law. We practice exclusively divorce and child custody law. A lot of clients come to us and they own a home, and a common question is, what happens to my house during the divorce process? There's a number of questions that we need to know to properly advise clients about what is going to happen to your house in a divorce. Number one, was your house purchased before marriage or during marriage? If it was purchased before marriage, it may be separate property of one spouse. If it's purchased during marriage, it may be community property, meaning you would split that with your spouse. Another question we're going to need to know with regards to your house in a divorce case is, where did the down payment come from? Did it come from money that you earned together with your spouse while you were married? Or did it perhaps come from a gift, inheritance of one party or the other? If there's a gift or inheritance, or maybe pre-marriage money, that down payment may be separate property that would then be reimbursed out of the equity in the home. Another question we're going to ask our clients when they're going through a divorce case is, who is on title to the property? So what name is listed on the deed? If both parties are listed on the deed, then there's a presumption under California law that it is community property. If just one party is listed on the deed, then there may be a presumption that it's that one party's separate property. Community property and separate property are important because if it's community property, then that house is going to be split relatively equally. If it's separate property, then one spouse may get to keep that property and not have to share it with the other. It's an important distinction in California law. Now, a common question that clients ask us is, should I remain in the house during the divorce process? So that's going to be determined on a number of factors. Number one, do you have alternative housing options? Number two, would you be willing to pay a possible watch charge, meaning you would get charged rent for the fair market value of the property? Are you willing to pay the mortgage during the pendency of the divorce case? And a number of factors that go into what would be fair or equitable. Generally, courts will not kick someone out during the divorce process, and quite surprisingly, most couples will stay in the house together during the divorce process. But most of the time that can become too much to bear, and one party will want to move out and the other will stay in the home. You want to talk about this decision with your lawyer because it can have a lot of financial consequences in your case, and it may also have child custody and visitation consequences in your case. If you own a house and you have questions about your divorce case in Santa Barbara or Santa Barbara County, give us a call and we'll give you a free consultation and talk about what's best for your divorce case and your house in Santa Barbara. Thank you.